There is no doubt that fall is upon us. The chill in the air last night and this morning was enough to remind us.
Yeah, it really was. In tonight's Travels, Charlie considers the familiar nature of changing seasons.
And so we return to places we've been many times before, as if we might find something there we've never found before. And although there is in all these places a familiarity like that in human faces, just as the light of day is changed by the hour, the biggest difference we found was ours. We had changed, not the sacred places. Each time returning with more lines in our faces, reflected in the ever-changing but never-changing surface of a stream. As if the place were the reality and we the passing dream. And therein lies the comfort as another winter's cold we weather. Just as the stream and the forest do, we dreamed this dream together. Reporting is one, but it really is two. This is Charlie and Becky for WBOC News.
And for those of you contemplating fall and dreading winter, Charlie says, think of this. Spring's only 153 days away.